Hello, and welcome to the Reds How-To Roghnu Portal Introduction. We're going to start out with what our portal is. This is the main web application for accessing all of your data for Roghnu. This includes our production web application, which is our apps.roghnu.com location. It is also our test environment, which is where we validate all of our new features and functionality before it gets promoted to our roghnu.com site. Some of the features that we have within our portal include our reporting and analytics. This includes Microsoft Power BI analytics and reports, which is a very powerful dashboard reporting system that can be set up as a role-based reporting site for all of your users. Our transaction reporting includes things like invoices, as well as the capacity to be able to distribute those transactions or those reports, such as like an invoice send or an invoice creation to a PDF for someone to be able to send. Our ad hoc SQL queries via our own Roghnu SQL Builder is a very feature-rich online SQL Builder application within our website. This allows you to be able to access any of your data at any point in time via either a mobile device or your computer. Our automation includes any source system to Sage Intacct. What that means is if you're creating something in a source system and you want to process it, and a lot of people use Excel to do manipulation of that data, you can then port all that data straight into Sage Intacct just by having it come through our Roghnu portal. The other parts are really the data unification platform, and this is the power of the Roghnu portal, and that's the data warehouse and the storage of all your system into an enterprise SQL Server environment. This includes our Sage Intacct data warehouse integration, as well as a user refresh, which allows users to refresh their data whenever they need it to be. So at month-end close, you have posted a bunch of journals and you don't want to wait until tomorrow for your data to be updated. You can go in and refresh it. We have a Sage Intacct Manager, which allows you to go through our web portal and update directly into Sage Intacct. So if you have distributed users that need to create a customer or an invoice, you can access that through the portal directly without having to log into Sage Intacct. We have a HubSpot data warehouse integration, Salesforce data warehouse integration, as well as our Stripe to Sage Intacct integration. And we have many other integrations that are out there as well, but these are some of the ones that we kind of highlight. Now it's time for our demo. This part starts our demonstration of our app.test.roghnu.com site. So in the upper right hand corner we can go to our login, and we're going to go in as a test admin user in this case. And the reason why I want to show the different users is that there's role-based security, so that a test admin user has the rights to be able to set up new users and maintain some of the configuration. So immediately you'll see some of the functionality that we've talked about already, including some things like scheduled tasks, which allows users to be able to see their features and functions associated with their tasks. The Intacct Manager, which is allowing people to go in and update data directly within Sage Intacct. Enterprise reporting. File management, which is really important because if you're loading data into the data warehouse for any system, we actually allow a file import. So if it's a CSV file, it can come in. We have a CRM Lite, which is in beta version currently. Our Intacct data warehouse refresh is functionality that allows the users to update that. Our transaction reporting, HubSpot integration, and our SQL Builder. Each one of these features and functions is going to be discussed a little bit more in detail and in a separate video. Now the other things that we have are really how everything is set up, which includes our domains. So if you log in, you can see the different domains that have been established, as well as the users. So our users can be set up and applied within these applications. Further, as you get into it, you have roles. So you'll have a super admin, which is really what Roghnu administrators use, a company user, and then a company admin. Further setups include your password reset and then logging out. So we'll come back later at another time to go through each of these functions individually. Thank you.